Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my English class. Today we will read a beautiful poem, I Have Got Email. I have got email. The postman doesn't knock at my door, yet I have mail. Of that I'm sure. I don't know my pin code. That anyway is a fashion out of mode. I haven't sent a letter by post in 1 year. Yet I communicate with all those who are dear. Outside my house, you won't find a mailbox anywhere. But does it matter? And do I care? My letters are on my computer screen. Getting messages is my cherished dream. With the click of a mouse, I talk to my brother in Florida or a battalion of long lost friends, even in Costa Rica. In this poem, the poetess says that the postman doesn't come to my house and he doesn't knock at my door. And still, I know I have got some messages on mail. And I don't know my pin code also because it is a fashion out of mode. Out of mode means out of fashion. Pin code क्या है एक out of fashion हो गया है. Nowadays sending letters through post is out of fashion. And I don't have any mailbox outside my house. Yet I communicate with all my friends and relatives. I'm getting my letters or messages on my computer screen. Getting messages is my cherished dream. Cherished means adore, care very much for, love. With the click of a mouse, I talk to my brother in Florida or a battalion of long lost friends, even in Costa Rica. Florida and Costa Rica, these are the places of USA. The poetess says that I keep on talking to my brother and battalion of my long lost friends. Battalion means a large group. In the first stanza, the poetess tells about the advantages of email. So, through this stanza, the poetess wants to convey that having a pin code is old fashioned. कि पिन कोड है जो एक ओल्ड फैशन हो गया है. शी हैज़ नॉट रिटन अ लेटर फॉर 1 ईयर. वो कहती है कि मैंने 1 साल से कोई लेटर भी नहीं लिखा. बट शी हैज़ बीन एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विद ऑल हर रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स. के अपने रिलेटिव्स को, फ्रेंड्स को, फिर भी वो उनके साथ क्या करती है, कम्युनिकेट करती है. इवन हर ब्रदर लिव्स इन फ्लोरिडा. इवन के उसका ब्रदर भी है जो फ्लोरिडा में रहता है. देन होम शी कैन कम्युनिकेट सिंपली बाय क्लिकिंग द माउस ऑफ हर कंप्यूटर. द पोएटिस इज वेरी मच हैप्पी बाय सेंडिंग और गेटिंग emails. But there are times I sigh and go pale when I have to sift through countless emails. A wrong address could mess up one's life. One may get queries on beauty when science is the line. Woe betide you. If a virus you release, your mail inside the computer will freeze. The poetess says that sometimes I sigh. Sigh means take a deep breath and go pale. Go pale. Pale means feel very tired because so many countless emails are there. When I have to sift. Sift means to separate. When I have to separate these mails, द पोएटस सेज कि जब बहुत सारी मेल्स हैं जो इकट्ठी हो जाती हैं तो जब भी उसको सेपरेट करना होता है देन शी फील्स वेरी टायर्ड. अ रॉन्ग एड्रेस कुड मैस अप वंस लाइफ मीन्स if you have a wrong email ID, it will create confusion because if you are not having the correct email ID, you will not be able to communicate with the person to whom you want to. अगर आपके पास wrong email ID है तो आपने जिस person से बात करनी है उस person से बात नहीं हो सकेगी. When your computer will be infected in the virus, then what will happen? All the mails will freeze. These are some of the demerits of the emails. इन द सेकंड स्टेंजा में क्या है, पोइटस इसके डीमेरिट्स के बारे में बताती है कि एक तो जो सेपरेट करनी पड़ती है उसको ईमेल्स, उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा थक जाती हैं। और अगर किसी का रॉन्ग एड्रेस है, सेकंड वन क्या है, रॉन्ग एड्रेस मीन्स जैसे कि आपको पहले बताया कि किसी के पास रॉन्ग आईडी पे चला जाता है तो इट कैन मैस अप वंस लाइफ, कि किसी की लाइफ को वो ख़राब कर सकती है। सो दीज आर द डीमेरिट्स ऑफ द ईमेल्स। I can't figure out if email is a boon or a bane, but without it, life would never be the same. And about this .com, I confess I'm crazy. Though mom screams, "Oh, it's made you lazy." Mouse potato, dad will often say, but getting email is the best part of my day. Dear God, it's neither the male nor the female. The best thing you gave us is the email. In the third stanza, the poetess don't understands it. It is a boon or a bane. Boon means blessings or bane means curse. But without emails, life is not be the same. Means life is not interesting. email के बिना अब life क्या है, interesting नहीं है. About this .com, I confess I'm crazy. Confess means to admit one's fault. Crazy means mad about it. The poetess says she is crazy about it, even though her mother calls her lazy. Mouse potato, dad will often say. Mouse potato means a person who always working on a computer. He is called mouse potato. She is saying, even my mom and dad not happy. But email is the best part of my day. Dear God, it's neither the male nor the female. The best thing you gave us the email. According to the poetess क्या कह रही है, ना तो ये मेल है और ना ही ये फीमेल है. But email is the best creation of God. ईमेल है जो गॉड की एक बेस्ट क्रिएशन है. So dear students, it was an interesting poem. You will recite the poem twice so it will be clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.